Hey YouTube family, it's Burner Girl. So now we're going to talk about the second gun in my collection that is absolutely not a Glock. I think this is the second gun that I ever purchased when I started my little 2A journey. So that is my Beretta 92 FS, and she is absolutely gorgeous. I love this gun and it shoots so freaking smoothly. Just for YouTube magazine is empty. Nothing's in this chamber. Everything is clear. So this gun is about, I think the slide is like 5.9 inches. No, 4.9, excuse me. It's a 9mm. It has an ambidextrous safety. It is single and double action. It also has serrations on the slide here in the rear. Let me see what else. And it also has a reversible slide release, as well as I think the magazine release is reversible as well. It does come with two 15-round magazines. I actually have about 6 mags for this gun because, no, I have 4. I told a story. I have 4 magazines. The ones that I had went with the gun when I purchased it came with 10. So of course I went ahead and bought extra magazines from somewhere else, had them shipped to my mama house in Virginia so that I can have the 15 rounds. So this is that one, and on Sunday I will be shooting this one along with the Canik TP9 SFX. And I haven't shot this one in a while either. It's really it's such a smooth shoot. I really enjoyed this one and I need to bring it out more often. I've been on Glock so much, I just forgot about my other babies, but I will be bringing this one out too. So look for that. And when we come back, I will be done with the range and you'll get to see that footage as well. And I might surprise y'all. I want to try something else. Somebody suggested something to me that they want me to try to shoot at because I did the index card challenge and somebody suggested shooting at a playing card because that's supposed to be so old school. I'm gonna try. I don't know how it's gonna work out because y'all saw them index cards. I was a little rusty. So I'm gonna see what I can do with the playing card. We shall see. But anyway, good, bad, or ugly, y'all gonna see it. So here is the Beretta 92 FS. And when I come back, yeah, you will see all of that footage. So, all right, YouTube family, I will see you shortly. And I'll be right back. Family, now we about to do the Beretta 92 FS. She is safe and clear. Nothing's in the chamber. Be right back in a few moments.